This is Chris Strasbaugh in the Visual Resources Center at Vanderbilt University. Today's tech training, we are going to focus on a question that we hear a lot towards the beginning of a semester or the beginning of an academic year of how to take the content that you have created for a previous course and migrate it into your new or current course that you are teaching. The best way to do that, as you can see, I am already inside Oak, which is also Vanderbilt's version of Blackboard. And you can see from the course list that we actually have two Italian Renaissance after 1500, one from 2011, one from 2010. Let's just say that we want to move content from 2010 into 2011. Now what we're going to do is, in order to do the course copy, which is the tool we're going to be looking for, you want to start in the course that you want to bring content from. So by clicking in, you see that we are in that class, and we are going to scroll down under Packages and Utilities, and one of the first things that we have is Course Copy. Now Course Copy has changed slightly over the semesters, but it's still the best tool for doing a migration. So what you want to do is, from the course that you want to move from, you select the course that you want to move to. And in this case, if we scroll down the list, we just select the radio button, the 2011 Italian Renaissance after 1500, and click Submit. And then you want to select all the content areas that you know that you have content in. So we're just gonna, I like to move over Grade Center as well, because oftentimes you don't change drastically the types of things that you administer or need to grade in. And anything that you think would be having content in there. Now, one of the important things is the change that they've made is you can no longer export or migrate a package larger than 250 megabytes. Now, most of the time that's not a problem, but if you have very image-heavy PowerPoints and you have all your PowerPoints posted and various PDFs, you can actually have a problem with this. So you start out by, after selecting what you want, go ahead and calculate size. In this case, there's nothing there, so it's not going to be a problem to migrate at all. However, if it did go over 250 megabytes, the first thing you can do is do separate. So for instance, if you know that the syllabus and course documents have specific smaller things, you can migrate those over, and if all of your PDFs are in a different area, you can then migrate that second. However, if you still are not able to get it lower than 250 per export, I do have a window open. It's the Oak self-help page through Vanderbilt University, and down here under the new processes for old tasks, they do provide an email address that says just email me if you can't get it over. So at that point in time, they do like you to try doing it this way first, and it is the fastest and most effective way of doing it. Once you click submit, it takes some time, but if you go to the new course, you'll see a banner at the top that either says that a migrate is in process or that a migrate has complete. Now you want to do these migrates before you start working in at all the new process, because it will erase data. But if you start out fresh each semester and you want to bring in stuff from an old course, the course copy is the most effective and quickest way to be able to move all your hard work from a previous semester into your new semester.